we're waiting for him to pick us up. I just wanted to show you how many bears there are here. Everyone's going on a trip today somewhere.
Here near the airport, and well, that's why the airport was built. It's a private airport, which again, these same smart entrepreneurs said, how about we build an airport here, and we could, we could have all the flights land here for Club Med. It was very big in the 80s, and that's how it started. And big Spanish means neighborhood or the hood kind of thing, and kind of place that no one goes. We're the only tour, excursion, whatever that goes to that place. And actually, when I picked you guys up this morning at IFA, I met an old friend of mine that I used to work with, and he goes, "Man, I haven't seen you in years. What are you doing now?" And I told him what we're doing, where we're going, and his face just went, "You're crazy. You think people where?" Well, we're going to go to the barrio's called El Hoyo, which means the hole. Not a very inviting place to start with. And so he said, "Matt, you're crazy. Why do you take people there?" Why? Because that's the real Dominican Republic. All right. What every other tour, all those so-called safaris, take you to artificial places, man-made places. Like this is a typical Dominican house. Well, you get there, and the so-called mom or grandpa and grandma that raised 16 kids in that little house are just actors, not real. What I'm going to be showing you, I mean, no doubt about that, this is the real thing. All right. So there, I had a bar. I was a tour guide for 3 years, and then I ended up back in another bar. and business.
Is there a theme to that? Or?
Well, I guess alcohol. For some reason, rum. Actually, my bar was called Rum Runners, so there you go. But unfortunately, out of my control, Puerto Plata died. And it was either I hit crossroads, either I go back to Canada, move to another island, country, whatever, and then one day I got a nice phone call from a friend of mine who lived here in Bavaro, called me. I moved over here and got a job and never looked back. All right. But Puerto Plata, population, 250,000 people, very, very proud city. They're almost not Dominican, they're Puerto Plata, they're not Dominican, see the feeling? And then I leave Puerto Plata, and I come here, where I hear that business is booming and everything's happening. Well, population is about 2,500 people. One restaurant in the whole area within 25 miles, and this restaurant's even called Solo Pollo, only chicken, still around. One gas station, but the roads were so bad that 1 or 2 days a week trucks broke down coming here, so we had no gasoline. No problem. This gas station turned into the busiest bar of Bavaro because there were no bars in Bavaro. So people started selling beer out of the back of their cars and trucks at Dominican prices, not Disneyland prices that you guys are all paying. And we were all very happy with that. So you would get 200-300 people here every Saturday, Sunday night, drinking, smoking beside the gas pumps. And like I said, there was nothing here. So eventually, well, now we have about 20,000 people living in the area. So it's grown a little bit, but there was nothing here. I'm sorry to repeat myself, but I'm just really trying to nail it into your head, which is very hard to relate to. There was no apartments to live in either. There was nothing here. So any of you... Dos, tres, cuatro. Not bad. Okay, entonces ¿sabe bailar merengue?
No.
No, entonces está mejor eso. Lesbia, ¿quiere bailar merengue? Okay.
That's a cocoa bean. And as he said, only the orange and the red ones are good.
And this is what they're printing right now. And this will be inside the box. That's it. I was counting on you girls. Anyway, we'll see. Hey guys, this is my favorite. Okay, I'm a rum drinker. I love rum, and it's one of the many reasons why I stayed in this country. Cheers.
Se lo ponen en barrica de coñac.
What else would you like to try?
Vamos a darle
Son muy tímidos.
exquisito.
Exquisito.
You get it?
Dos más. All right, to something different. How about to Romania? All right. What's beers in Romanian? No.
Okay, Pancho Villa, tequila.
Pancho Villa. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I even got the wife to, I don't know if you know, to cook me some galuste.
Yeah.
Good job.
You should come visit. It looks like you
That's
miss
my
Romania. You keep
I've never been, but that's my next European trip is Romania and Serbia. I want to see many Serbian friends.
We went
What is
last
it?
summer in Serbia, but I've had enough. Take mine because I
Tequila.
Let's see from
Tequila,
us.
tequila. You want more tequila?
Okay, this time to Mexico. What I like about this tequila base is sometimes women have that tendency to start pole dancing and stuff, and taking off their clothes. Terrible. That's real sorry. Okay. Let's tell you what. All right, guys. Welcome to this is the Don Lucas warehouse where they keep their tobacco in here. Okay.
That's a really good street. No, like signs on the wall. There was no way of telling.
This is Raimondo. This guy is. They always work in teams of 2. Okay. They this side here is the guy. He's the roller. The guy puts the filler in the cigars, and on the other side you have the wrapper. He does the finishing touch with the a different type of tobacco. Now, soil, same type of mountainous region, same type of temperature, and when the Cuban tobacco grows.
Hi guys.
Hey!
We're going back on our bus to go to the beach. So we're gonna tell you later
What we did.
what we're doing now. It's a good tour and we're gonna leave you the link in the description below because you're really gonna do something a bit different than the others.
And we had rum!
And we had a lot of rum and we went to the cigar factory there and there. The chocolate factory is back there where you can see cocoa beans.
Yummy cocoa!
Here you can see the rum museum and the shop.
Yummy rum.
you're gonna find better prices here than in the airport or at your local hotel. So we definitely recommend you come here.
It was really nice so far.
Yeah. And we're going to the beach now to enjoy the sun and get more sunburn. Like my nose. And my
Like
ears.
his nose.
Yeah.
That's not the only thing that you have fish in your hotel or seafood. That's important. Most fruits and vegetables is locally grown. Chicken. Simple little fire. The only seasoning they use on their on the fish is oregano, a little bit of garlic sauce, a little bit of oil, and this might be the best tasting fish you'll ever have in your life.
What kind of wood is that?
Driftwood, so
Whatever, not any fancy.
Nope, nope.
Okay.
You store it, keep a whole pile in the back.
Hey guys! We're at the beach again. We so love the beach, especially the beaches here that are so filled with white sand and amazing looking water. Oh, I cannot have enough of it, really. It's just amazing. And now we're at Macau Beach. I hope you can hear me because of these huge waves.
And we're trying cigars for the first time.
Ooh, cigars from the cigar factory. Is it good? And we're waiting for our fish to cook. I'm gonna have the yellow snapper, whatever that is. It's a little tiny one with a yellow tail. And he's gonna have the mahi-mahi, or a bit of mahi-mahi. We really like this tour. We bought also some rum, we bought also some cigars. And now we can have